Now let us find the HCF of 15 and 40 using a different method now. We have learned how to do this by listing the factors generally. That is, by listing of factors method, we're able to list the factors of 15 and the factors of 40, and from there we got our highest common factor. But this time, let us do it by prime factor method. Prime factor method. Solution. To apply this method, you have to find the prime factors of each of this number. What I mean is you express each of them by the product of their prime factors. Now, let's start with 15. Expressing 15 as a product of its prime factors. That is, we have the number 15, which is divisible by 3, 5 ways, and also divisible by 5 once in this case. That is, 15 equals 3 times 5. So this is the first step. Now the second step, we will express 40 as a product of its prime factors. Expressing 40 as a product of its prime factors. So here we have 40, 2 will go 20, 2 10 times, 2 5 times, and then 5 once. That means that our 40 equals 2 raised to the power 3 times 5. Let me just write this 3 properly. So 2 raised to the power 3 and 5. So now let's put them side by side and compare. We got that 15 equals 3 multiplied by 5, and our 40 equals 2 raised to the power 3 times 5. Now when you compare this side by side, it is easy to see that what they have in common is 5. That is, our HCF of 15 and 40 equals 5. Now, isn't that easy? Try this with other numbers around you. Thank you.